Hello guys, this is simple Western and Asian menu. So today I'm going to cook three kinds of delicious recipe. So this is Coca-Cola lemon chicken wings, and this is the Chinese red spinach, and this is stir-fried shrimps with Herigord. So these are the ingredients of the Coca-Cola lemon chicken wings: lemon, light soy sauce, this is Coca-Cola, and onion, lemon, and garlic and ginger. So this is the ingredients of stir-fried shrimps with Herigord. So these are my simple menu for today. Now guys, we start to cook. So you need to slice the lemon and remove the seeds, and this is the ginger, garlic, and then the onion, and this is the spring onion guys. So dito natin lulutuin guys ang Coca-Cola lemon chicken wings. We soak the ginger, garlic, and the onions. And guys, add the chicken wings without the sauce. And I'm going to include it. Don't put the sauce. And cover so that the chicken wing is become toasted. And now guys, I add white soy sauce. So this is my measurement. Then add lemon, and add this 5 ml of Coca-Cola, so 9 pieces of chicken wing. So I add this Coca-Cola. Don't add any water guys. Let it cook in a low heat guys until soft. Add the spring onions. Ayan guys, ayan. Malapit na maluto ang aking Coca-Cola lemon chicken wings. Kailangan pahinaan lang ang apoy. Tapos pag kumunti na yung kanyang sauce, tsaka maluto na ang chicken wings. Ayan guys, okay na ang aking Coca-Cola lemon chicken wings.
Let's cook Herigord with shrimps.
Guys, peel off the Herigord and slice. Guys, let's cook the stir-fry shrimp with Herigord. So now, soak the ginger. And so this shrimp guys. We soak the shrimp guys until transparent, and don't cook it long, and remove. Set aside. We add the oil. Soak the at the Harry Gourd. And we add the chicken powder, guys. Water. Guys, we cover and cook in a low heat until soft. So, ilagay na natin guys ang shrimp. So, pwede na guys.
Stir-fry shrimps in Harry Gourd. Let's cook Chinese red spinach, in Cantonese called yin choy. Ingredients: garlic and seasoning. Stir-fry Chinese red spinach. Fish mullet soup.
This is fish mullet.
Ingredients: fish mullet sea fish, tomatoes, potatoes, onions, carrots, ginger soup bag. If you like my recipes, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching my cooking videos.